If stress is unavoidable, the critical question becomes how stress is regulated. Regulation of stress refers to the strategies individuals and communities use to manage stress responses and reduce their harmful effects. Social and health psychology distinguish between different types of coping, each suited to different circumstances. One major distinction is between problem-focused coping and emotion-focused coping. Problem-focused coping involves addressing the source of stress directly, solving problems, seeking information, or changing circumstances when possible. Emotion-focused coping aims to manage emotional reactions through strategies such as reframing, acceptance, relaxation, or seeking emotional support. Neither approach is universally superior. Problem-focused coping is most effective when stressors are controllable, while emotion-focused coping is essential when stressors cannot be changed, such as chronic illness or loss. Effective stress regulation often involves using both approaches flexibly. Lifestyle factors play a powerful role in stress regulation. Regular physical activity reduces physiological arousal and improves mood. Adequate sleep supports emotional regulation and immune function. Balanced nutrition stabilizes energy levels and stress hormones. These factors are often overlooked, yet they form the foundation of stress resilience. Cognitive strategies are also central. How individuals think about stress influences its impact. Cognitive reappraisal, reframing a stressor as manageable or meaningful, can reduce emotional intensity and improve coping. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques help individuals become aware of stress responses without becoming overwhelmed by them. Social support is one of the most robust protective factors against stress-related illness. Supportive relationships buffer physiological stress responses and promote adaptive coping. Feeling understood and valued can significantly reduce the perceived threat of stressors. Importantly, stress regulation is not solely an individual responsibility. Organizations, communities, and institutions shape the conditions under which people cope. Work environments, healthcare systems, and social policies can either amplify stress or mitigate it. Recognizing this shared responsibility is essential for ethical and effective stress management.